You sleep 8 hours, maybe more. The alarm rings, yet you still feel heavy, foggy, tired. Ever ask yourself, why do I wake up tired even after a full night of sleep? The answer isn't your mattress or your willpower. It's your brain's morning reset system. In the next few minutes, neuroscience will show you how to switch it back on. Deep inside your brain, a 24-hour clock, your circadian rhythm, sets your daily energy. When natural light reaches your eyes, signals travel to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the master clock. That clock cues a rise in cortisol, your natural wake-up chemical, for focus and motivation, and a fall in melatonin. But if you grab your phone before daylight or stay in the dark too long, those light receptors send a confused message to the hypothalamus. Melatonin lingers, cortisol delays, and you wake up tired even after sleeping. Most of us reach for coffee to fight that fog, but caffeine doesn't create energy. It blocks adenosine, the molecule that signals fatigue. The adenosine doesn't disappear, it waits. When caffeine fades, adenosine surges back, causing a mid-morning crash. So you drink more coffee, the reset gets weaker, and the cycle continues. Artificial alertness, deeper fatigue. The good news? You can realign this system in 2 minutes. Try this brain reset routine right after waking. Step 1. Expose your eyes to natural light. Look outside or face a window. Step 2. Drink a full glass of water before caffeine. Step 3. Add gentle movement. Stretch, breathe, or take 10 steps. These cues tell your brain morning has begun. Cortisol rises on time, melatonin fades. With repetition, your energy clock resets, and you stop waking up tired, even on shorter nights. You're not broken. Your brain just needs the right signals at the right time. Start small, light, water, motion. Repeat daily, and your circadian rhythm learns the pattern. The most powerful alarm isn't beside your bed. It's inside your brain. This is Safe Habits. Watch our other episodes on dopamine, focus, and habit rewiring to keep your brain running on purpose, not autopilot.